Okay, in this video, finally we are going to finish the last two consonants. Okay, 르 and hu. The hu. I'm not sure if hu has a family. Hu, u. Maybe, although it doesn't have a sound, it's like hu. Okay, or maybe it stands alone. Hu, but it's easy to remember because the circle has a hat. Okay, remember that. Hu, hu. Okay, 르 is there's no really equivalent to English, but it's sometimes R, sometimes L, but somewhere between. It's not exactly L or R, but 르. Okay, 르, ra. So if we were to write ra, okay, ra, la, will be, we would use this. 르, 아, ra. So let me show you how to write this. One, that's one stroke. Okay, it's like a gu, right? Gu. And then you write a horizontal line like that. And then you write this. So it's like gu plus du. Gu plus du. So if you put du underneath, right? This du underneath, then it looks like du. So the way to write this is it is one stroke. 1, 2, 3. Repeat with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 strokes. Okay, 3 more times. Say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Now this time, let's say 르 as we're writing. I told you that this one kind of looks like a rattlesnake. I don't know. Yeah? 르. So remember the rattlesnake. 르. Close to R or L. Okay? So here. 1, 2, 3. 르. Slowly, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Got it? 1, 2, 3. Again, 르. Okay, so I told you this is how you write ra. So let me write a few of them. Okay, how do we write la? La. How about di? E. Di. How about ro? 르, 어. So in Korean, when we write Russia in Korean is Russia. So we will write ro. How about 로, 오, 로. How about 루, 루. How about you want to write 료. Instead of 로, you want to write 요. Put this. How about not 루, but 류. Okay, so that's how it works. Now, hu, you know that all the mechanics, how all the vowels are working. You just need to memorize the characters, okay, the alphabets. Hu is H in English. Hu. So 1, 2, circle. Just think about hat, face. So then you can write this very fast, right? Hat face. You're drawing head face. Okay, this hat, like I said, could be like this. I usually write it like this, but it doesn't matter. Who. Okay, two stick and a who. Like the equal sign. It's like a math, right? Equal sign and then 0. That's easy to write. Equal sign 0, equal sign 0, equal sign 0, equal sign 0. Yeah. So nothing. There's. You could write Korean fast. Okay. So who. Okay. Let's say who and then write 10 times fast. Who. 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 Is it 10 or something like that? Who. Now, how do you write ha? How do you write ha? Well, you just put ha. How do you write ho? You put oh. Ho. How do you write he? So he. How about ho, that goes down. Ho. How about hyo? Not ho. Hyo. Okay, got it. Okay, hyo. How about who? How about hue? Okay, we'll just put one more. Hue. How do you write who? This. Who. Okay, so those are all the consonants and the vowels, the basic ones. We do have diphthongs and we have combined consonants, yeah, that we will learn next time. Let's write a few words. Let's see. Let's write Russia. Russia. In Korean is Russia. So ru. So ru. She. E. Here's an E. She. Ah. Well, this is ah. But you cannot just write vowel. So you need to have a placeholder. Okay? Russia. How about, let's write radio. We don't have a Korean word for radio. So it's radio. Radio. Okay, you could pause me and try. Okay? Radio. See? In Spanish, like in Latin, it'll be ra-di-o. Pause me and try. Okay, so I believe you had a go at it. Let's write it. Ra, ru, a, ra, di, du, di, du, e, here, e, radio. O is this one. O. But since you cannot just write the vowel, you need to have a placeholder. Okay? Radio. Okay? Let's try one more. Okay, let's try to write Nuna. Nuna is an older sister. Okay? Nuna. Do you want to try? Pause me and try. Nuna. So both consonants are na. It's N. Nu. The first vowel is nu, oo. The second vowel is na, right? Try it. Okay, I believe you had you had a chance to do that. Now, nu will be nu, nu, na, nu, Nuna. Okay, let's try one more. How about pants? Pants in Korean is pa, chi. So why don't you write that in English first? Pa, chi. Pachi. So figure that out. Okay? Pause me and do it. Okay, I believe you had to go get it. Okay. 바, 부, 바. 부, 아, 바, 아. 지, 주. 이, 바지, 이 is this one. 이, 바지. Okay, wow, I'm so happy. We could do a lot of things with Korean, the Korean words that you can write. Yay! Okay, keep practicing this. 안녕. 르, 흐, 르, 흐, 아, 야, 이, 오, 으, 유, 라, 랴, 러, 려, 로, 료, 루, 류, 르, 리, 하, 샤, 허, 혀, 호, 효, 후, 휴, 흐, 히, 라, 로, 하, 히, 하, 루. Okay, that's it.
대박. 대박.
대박!